And here we have the Austin in his natural habitat. As you can see, he's sitting behind a rock. Looks as though he's trying to spot targets. Now he's moving into the area. Notice that he's moving in a zigzag formation. That's likely to avoid being shot. Fascinating animals, aren't they? This is so dumb. Oh my god. Your turn.
Moving down the road. Thought he was going to go in the building, but he's not. They're very fascinating.
He's just too clever for that.
Very fascinating creatures.
You know, the funny thing is that they aren't even sentient. They act entirely on instinct.
He's behind the building now. We'll lose contact until I am able to regain.
There's nothing here, Aladdin.
He doesn't know yet.
The young Austin is puzzled by the lack of enemies.
I'm going to try to dry him out.
Range to the house is 800 meters.
You're just gonna shoot him with a sniper rifle and machine gun.
The sound of
Nice.
ricochet. There he is.
Missed.
He's on the move.
He's behind. He's behind the right hanger now.
Maybe I should put a German accent over this. Might be
I
interesting.
can't do a German accent.
He is moving behind the hangar now.
There we go.
They will soon poke his head around the corner and we will have a clear shot. But we won't take it because it is more entertaining to watch the specimen and learn from it. Isn't that right, Werner?
Da!
You're now Werner, by the way. You're Werner.
Yeah.
It's
The Russian counterpart.
the Russian Werner.
Ah, yeah.
Defying all stereotypes. Now I'm suddenly British. Lovely.
What's your name? What's your German name?
I'm Klaus.
Ah, Klaus.
Klaus Gute.
The Germans
That's
on
what I
the
named my Fallout
flank.
character. Klaus Gute.
Klaus.
Literally, it's just
The German
Klaus
on my
Gute.
flank.
Klaus Gute. I am Klaus Gute. Klaus Gute.
We try not to kill it, so we can return it back to the... Who am I fucking kidding? We're gonna kill this bastard.
You see him?
No.
He's just fucking hiding back there.
He wouldn't... Yes, he
They only
is.
have pistols. Or shit.
I forgot about that.
The very long-range pistols.
Yes, they're quite large.
Yeah, so you know
Quite
what,
effective.
you can come get me. I ain't leaving where I am.
It's a
You guys gotta come
G18,
get
bro. It's a G18, bro. It's a G18.
I'm gonna move to the side, so hopefully I can get a good shot at him. Stay where you're at. It provides the best fire to keep the Austin in bay. Da.
I have the target.
Over running out there and getting shot in some nature.
You will villagers also.
Alright, I work for Aladdin, and you happen to be American.
Shit.
This is a nature show. We don't have the money to bring in
Can't
Aladdin.
lose with those arguments.
Not optimal for filming footage about the enemy in its natural habitat.
It's fine. We'll put it on Discovery and call it raw footage and everyone will be okay with it.
Sounds about
Like I
right.
said, I'm not leaving where I am. You guys can get me.
As you can see, Jake, or Klaus, as we like to call him, is marking the target with tracer rounds. That way I can tell where the target's at all times.
It's a very effective maneuver that we decided to pull. It will show exactly where to find the hostile nature object for the show.
I'm Nigel Strawberry.
As you can see, this is how the professionals like to draw out deer and such when they do research films upon the targets. Animals. However, we are researching the Austin in this particular case, and it is therefore much different.
You can shoot all you want. I ain't leaving.
That is good, that's why I'm moving up to kill you.
The animal tells me he doesn't want to move, but I think that he does.
The animal can't tell me what to do. I am the human being here. The animal wants to tell me what is right and what is wrong, I swear.
We'll be back after these messages. We could just put like a 30-second clip of us just teabagging him, and then it'll be like,
To like some
now
dubstep
back to the
music.
nature show.
To like the dubstep
Yeah.
music, is just like, dude.
Now back to the nature show. As you can see, I've moved up, and my friend here, who is helping in the show, has moved around the side to try and get a closer look on the creature.
So far the creature is showing anonymous. I can't seem to find him.
I'm providing suppressing fire to keep him in his position and allow my colleague to grow closer and find a position where he can actually spot the target. This will provide optimal footage for your viewing pleasure. This is how scientists learn about creatures. I forget what your name is. What were you again? Werner? You're Werner.
Werner.
Werner is gonna get close. Like, for all we know, he could be like really far away.
Probably. I seem to have a false idea.
I, Klaus Guter, will move up and assist you in the aircraft control. My tongue kind of died on me there.
Yeah, I heard that.
There's a problem that is persistent with men of my age. When you approach the age of 57, it begins to happen. You see, your body changes. That's not the point of this program.
Careful. It's only your second last clip.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh.
Did you shoot me?
You ran in front of me.
That's
You
okay.
ran in front of me.
Oh, Vanna, be a dear and patch me up, will you? Seem to have slipped and fallen. Oh, I also appear to be able to walk and track you. What the fuck? Vanna,
Okay.
your
Stand
job is
still.
not yet complete. Don't half-ass it like you did with the soda. You know how parched I was in the middle of that desert, you fool? Alright, before you open the door, I'm going to go around the back and look through the windows. Perhaps then I'll be able to see him.
Those are nice shoes you got there.
What?
Be good for tap
Indeed.
dancing.
What?
Dude. I don't know, dude. He's just talking shit. Let's go. Open the door. I'll open the door, you charge in.
He's in the bathroom, he's in the bathroom.
Party time? You ready for party time?
Yes, now here you can see a prime example of the beast known as the Austin. This creature is absolutely wonderful, and known as a delicacy in countries such as China.
Yeah! Yeah! Suck it!
Oh dear, it seems my colleague Werner has fallen to the beast. I will have to move him outside for a proper burial. You're a good man, Werner. Now, I will cook the Austin the way that the people in China do, and enjoy it as a delicacy. It is a delicious dish. Much like the chicken, or perhaps the cow. Yes. Now, I'm going to show you how to cook the creature. You leave it on the ground, stand above it, and it open fire into its abdomen. Once enough bullets have been fired into the creature, you can devour it, such as this. It is a delicious creature. It's no wonder they consider it a delicacy in China. Anyways, this concludes the hunting show, or perhaps the nature show, Austin edition, whatever you wish to call it. And I do bid you a good night.
Next week we search for the rare Viper.
Yes, quite a creature, very, very evasive and hard to find. It will be a hell of a show. Fuck off, Austin. I can't see you. I lost you.
All I got is a pistol. Good. Good.
What the fuck?
No.
Okay. I have 22 just came across my screen and exploded.